Grade 11th, and welcome to another mathematics lesson. Right now we're just going to be doing some end of chapter exercises on number patterns. So those are the questions. I modified them from Selvula.com. Okay, so number one states, given the quadratic number pattern, you have 72, then you have k, then you have 196, and then you have 288, right? (1.1) asks you calculate the value of k. So as usual, we label them. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. So here is what we are first going to do. 72, then K, then 196, then 288, right? First differences is going to be K minus 72, then it's going to be 196 minus K, then it's going to be 288 minus 196, (92), right? These are the first differences. And then we come to the second differences. It's going to be this, which is 196 minus K minus K minus 72. And then here, 92 minus 196 minus K. So we know that these are the second differences. All you just have to do is equate them, right? So it's going to be 196 minus K minus K minus 72 equal to 92 minus 196 minus K. Sorry for the overlap. Then we simplify. 196 minus K minus K plus 72 is equal to 92 minus 196 plus K, right? So negative K minus K is negative 2K. 196 plus 72, get plus 268 is equal to K minus 104. So it's negative 2k minus k is equal to negative 104 minus 268. Negative 2k minus k is negative 3k is equal to negative 104 minus 268. We get negative 372. Divide both sides by negative 3. So the final answer that we get K is 124. Okay. 1.2 states, give the general time of the sequence. So as usual, you write it down. Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c, right? So you need to find the values of a, b, and c, right? We have found k and it's 124. So we're going to say 2a is equal to, let's just take 96 minus, open bracket, 196 minus 124. Okay. A is 20, dividing both sides by 2. A is 10. 3a plus b, we get k minus 72. K minus. So don't forget, this is 2a, this is 3a plus b, and this is a plus b plus c, right? So 3a plus b is equal to 72, k minus 72. So we found k to be 124. So 3a plus b is 52. B is B is 22. A plus B plus C is 72. We just need to find C. C is 40. So the final, you're not writing this space. This is because I just ran out of space. So Tn is equal to 10n squared plus 22n plus 40. 1.3 states find T7. So it's just going to be plus 40. $684. 1.4 asks you which term in the sequence will be equal to 1260. So all we know is that Tn is 1260. We know the formula. Tn is 10n squared plus 22n plus 40. So 10n squared plus 22n. 40 minus 1260 gives us minus 1220, 0. You can simplify it. Common factor is 2. So 5m squared plus 11m minus 610 gives 0. Let's use the quadratic formula. N is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? And we are going to be minus 11 plus or minus square root of 11 squared minus 4. A is 5, c is negative 610. All over 2 times 5. So n is negative, b is 11. We start with plus square root of 11 squared minus 4. A is 5, c is negative 16. N is 10, or n is negative 12,2. But we take the positive value because n is greater than 0. So T10 gives us 1260. We can verify it. Yes, that's where we get it. Okay, number 2 states, for each of the following sequences, determine the next 2 terms of the sequence, the nth term of the sequence, as well as the 20th term of the sequence. So the next 2 terms, this is interesting. So first we label them T1, T2, T3, T4, right? So we're going to need T5 as well as T6. So let's just write them down. 25, 85, 67, 121. 35 minus 25, we get 10. 67 minus 35, wow, 32. And then 121 minus 67. 54. So the second difference is 32 minus 10 is 22. 54 minus 32, 22. So it's going to be 22. When we add 54 plus 22, we get 76. 121 plus 76. So T5 is 121 plus 76. And we get 197. So as usual, 22, 76 plus 22, 98. 19, so T6 is 197 plus 98. 295. So we found the next two terms. Now we need to find the nth term of the sequence. So as usual, we're going to write it down. Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So let's not forget, this is 2a, this is 3a plus b, and this is a plus b plus c. So 2a is 22. So a is 22 divided by 2 is 11. 3a plus b is 10. Right? So 3 times 11 plus b is 10. B is 10 minus 33, which is negative 23. A plus b plus c gives us 25. 11 plus negative 23 plus c is 25. C is 37. So what we get is Tn is 11n squared minus 23n plus 37. And then we need to calculate the 20th term of the sequence. So T20. This is 20, not 26, sorry. So we get T20 3,977. I hope that's what you got too. So same business here. First, we are going to label our terms. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, and this is T5. So we need T6 and we need T7. $50, then 38, then 2, then negative 58, negative 142. 38 minus 50, we get negative 12. 2 minus 38, negative 36. Negative 58 minus 2, negative 60, and negative 142 minus 58.